Holden, Australia's ideal family car, gives you the maximum in sure, safe road holding and ease of steering. Both men and women drivers, but particularly women, will appreciate the way the graceful steering wheel is positioned to give the utmost steering comfort. Holden's steering system embodies recirculating ball bearings, replacing the friction of sliding contact between parts with a smooth rolling movement. Recirculating ball bearings in the steering box mean lighter, smoother steering, a feeling of positive control that takes the effort out of parking for even the slimmest wrists. Holden's magnificent road holding and ease of handling are the result of several important engineering improvements. Longer wheelbase, lower height, wider front track, a front suspension incorporating a stabilizer bar that really takes the roll out of corners. Watch how Holden performs as a GMH test driver subjects Holden to road holding and steering tests far beyond the demand of everyday use. Notice the absence of roll, the sure way Holden hugs the road. How swiftly and precisely you can handle a Holden when it's necessary. Why not let your dealer arrange for you to drive a Holden? To drive Holden yourself is to discover why, in economy, dependability, performance, styling, and comfort, you get more for your money in Holden, Australia's own car. Whether your family is small or large like this one, you'll enjoy the smoothest, most comfortable motoring at lowest cost in a Holden. The spacious luggage compartment completely fills your holiday needs. Inside, Holden comfortably seats 6 people. Let's see just how roomy and how comfortable Holden really is. See how wide Holden seats are, how comfortably you sink back into them, how much legroom there is. 2 more reasons for Holden's deep, relaxing comfort are the soft foam padding and proven Z-type seat springs that give you a smooth, pleasant ride wherever you go. Yes, how proudly you'll drive a Holden. For Holden combines all the things that make going places so much more fun. Roominess for 6, space for all your luggage, wide, clear vision, and smooth, silent riding. In comfort, as in all the things that make for happier family motoring, you get more for your money in Holden, Australia's own car.